Mastering multiple choice. Tips to excel on the SAT and ACT. Hello, language learners and test takers. Today, we're diving deep into the art of answering multiple choice questions effectively, especially in the context of the SAT and ACT exams. Whether you're familiar with this format or it's your first time, I guarantee there's something for everyone. Let's boost your confidence and your scores. Remember, the key is understanding the strategy. Multiple choice questions offer a list of options from which you select the most appropriate answer. They're a staple in many standardized exams like the SAT and ACT. Key points. 1. Only one answer is correct. 2. Always read all the choices before selecting. 3. There's no penalty for guessing. Before you look at the options, try to understand the core of the question. Rephrase it. Simplify the question in your own words. Anticipate an answer. Before seeing the choices, try to think of what the answer could be. This gives you an edge and reduces the options you might consider. Not sure about an answer? That's okay. Elimination is your friend. 1. Rule out the obviously wrong choices first. 2. Look for extreme words or absolutes like always, never, which might make a statement false. 3. Compare remaining choices. Sometimes two options can be very similar. One might be broader, or one might have a minor detail off. Choose the most accurate one. Time is of the essence, but that doesn't mean rushing. Budget your time. Know how many questions there are and the time allotted. Aim to leave some minutes at the end for review. Skip and return. If a question seems too tough, mark it and move on. Return to it after you've finished the others. Since there's no penalty for guessing in the SAT and ACT, it's wise to answer every question. 1. Use clues from other questions. Sometimes, information in one question can help answer another. 2. Trust your instinct. If in doubt, your first impulse is often right. 3. If you're stumped, choose an answer anyway. A 25% or 20% chance, depending on the number of options, is better than 0%. And there you have it. Strategies to conquer multiple choice questions on the SAT and ACT. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice these strategies, the more intuitive and effective they'll become. I hope this video has been enlightening, and I wish you all the best on your test day. Don't forget, believing in yourself is half the battle. Happy studying!